My name is Arya. Welcome to my show. I'm going to show you how to play Dominos. Start to make it. Now that's the fun part. Something else. Dominos is so much fun to play. We've been playing hours and hours. I'm cut by the U.S. coin. Abraham Lincoln, penny, head, tail, 1 cent. Thomas Jefferson, nickel, head, tail, 5 cent. Franklin Roosevelt, dime, head, tail, 10 cent. Washington, quarter, head, tail, 25 cent. I'm going to do some worksheets. 1 penny is 1 cent. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can buy with 1 penny. Marble, balloon, car, doll. Necklace 5 cents. 10, 15, and 20. 5 and 1 is 6. 5, 5 and 1 is 11. 5, 5, 1 and 1 is 13. 5 and 5 and 5 and 1 15, 17. I'm going to talk about magnets. Magnets have south pole and north pole. North and south repel. North and north repel. But sticks. Magnet can stick the iron. See, it's sticking. I'll show you another way.